You have to learn to select your thoughts the same way that you select your clothes every day. Now, that's a power that you can cultivate. If you want to come here and you want to control your life so bad, work on the mind. And that's the only thing you should be trying to control. Because if you can't master your thoughts, you're in trouble forever.
I am trying.
Hello, that's the damn problem. Stop trying. Surrender. Go out into the garden and just sit there and still your mind and watch what happens. Why don't you just let it be?
People my age are getting married, having kids. And I, just a girl who loves to hike. Someone literally wrote this because without Jesus, without God, I don't think I would have been able to do this hike today. I don't think I would have. So I'm actually in Walmart looking for micro spikes because my life might depend on it. And none of the workers were any help at all. So that's great. Like, how do you have a job and you are providing no use to it? Oh wow, this is insane. Oh my goodness, guys. This is actually, I don't know how to get out. I don't want to go all the way down. I don't know why. But let's go. Okay. Maybe that's fine. Shout out to these for saving my life. But let's go further down. It doesn't look as scary because of the snow. This is actually insane. Hocus pocus. Sade focus on just the snow and nothing Oh my gosh, guys, this is so insane. What? Wow. What the hell? Y'all see them cars? It's insane. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Thank you, God, so much. That felt good. Yeah. It's also easier to go down than it is to go up. Why is that? Because being successful in life requires you to continue to climb that ladder, climb those stairs, reach the top of the mountain. Requires that. Those who seek low potential and stoop to low things like negativity, they aren't going to get anywhere. Also, that's why it's so hard to continue striving to better yourself and work on yourself, because that requires you to continue climbing that ladder and going up. Yes, going up this hike in this mountain was hard, especially with the snow. Going down is easy as pie. Once again, I just proved to you guys that hiking basically is so symbolic. It is a reflection of the life we are living right now, which is why I encourage people to get out there and go on your first hike or your second hike or your third. Just try new things. Today was my first time hiking in snow. I was scared, but I had faith in God to protect me along the way and guide me. And I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did not stay home. I'm so glad, because I would have regretted. And I no longer want to live in any regrets. I love hiking because it puts everything we worry about, every challenge, it just puts everything into a bigger perspective, that we are so much smaller than we think we are. And none of the shit that we worry about or stress about, none of that fucking matters at the end of the day. And it just feels so good, because when hiking is very challenging, especially incline hiking or just walking for long periods of time, you know? It's hard, but so is life. And hiking is so symbolic of the endeavors, the challenges that we persevere and endure over time. It's so symbolic of that, because when you're hiking and you're at the top, it's not like you can just teleport back to your car. You have to actually walk back down. And even going up, once you're at a certain point on that hike, turning back, why turn back? Why turn back now? You know, it's just so, it's like an out-of-body experience. And I just love hiking so much because it's therapeutic. It puts you in a state of mindfulness and a state of just feeling free. When you're at the top and you see how small everything is, the cars, you can't even see the people on the ground. All you see is mountains, miles and miles away. You see the sky. This shows you that everything around you is small. And we put so much energy into those small things. We really need to be putting energy into ourselves and encouraging ourselves, motivating ourselves to not give up. It's been a few times when hiking, I would be like, this hike is hard, or I don't think I can do this. When you put those thoughts aside and you put that self-doubt, that self-sabotage aside, and you just look forward, look at the end game, have that tunnel vision, you got this. It's just, and also, I don't know, this hike was needed today. It really was. I've been having a lot on my mind, and I'm 24. And I stress a lot. Wow. Look at that. That's a sign. Someone literally wrote Jesus because everything is just so much more meaning than what is presented to us each and every day. Even with work, us stressing about work, it's all temporary. We're here for a good time, not a long time. So might as well enjoy it while we can. Because this world is so beautiful. And it deserves to be seen by us. It deserves to be appreciated by us. And that's my goal in life. It's not to get married or have kids. It's to travel the world and be free. And just love myself. And enjoy my own company. And be open to trying new things and taking new risks. And just being happy. That's my goal in life.